Hi there everybody, and we are up now for day 23, and this is our second to last one. Can't believe that we've only got today and tomorrow. Ooh. Here we go. Wow, I absolutely love this one. So we've got this gorgeous pink base, but it's not a solid pink base because you've got all different varying shades of the pink. You've got some really pale sections like this bit here, and then you twist around and you've got some much deeper pinks up this end. So it's a really beautiful, almost ombre pink. It twists around to all different shades of that pink. It's absolutely beautiful. And then we've got these really vivid blue and green flecks, which I just think gives it a little something extra. So that is day 23. Beautiful, beautiful pink. And I'm sad to say I will see you tomorrow for our very last yarn opening. I really hope you've enjoyed all of these. I hope you like this pink. And obviously tomorrow I will show as well every one of the yarns that we've gotten throughout the whole of this advent. But I will see you tomorrow.